successful, you gotta be willing to give up sleep.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Midalabamabassintv. And today I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion on this app right here. Yeah, guys, I am going to be doing a review on probably one of the hottest fishing apps right now, Fishbrain. But is it really worth the hype as much as it's been given? I guess we'll just have to find out today. I just got the app really recently, and so I really haven't been using it much, but I've used it enough to get to know it well. And of course, as you can tell, I have 0 followers. Very popular, of course, as you know. So yes, I did just get started, and I am very popular. Anyways, I'm going to be giving my honest opinion on this app compared to other companies like Angler or Bass Forecast. And basically we're just going to be comparing and seeing, is this app really worth the hype? Looks like we'll have to find out. Alright, so compared to Angler normally is an app where you get on the app, you can log your catches just like you can on Fishbrain, except it doesn't give you other information on your maps of where other people have caught fish and what they've caught them on. You have to gather up all those details yourself. Yes, it does give you the details, but you have to have enough catches for it to work over time. Basically what I'm saying is you have to go out and you have to get the data for yourself. You can't all work together as a bunch of group of people that fish the lake or whatever lake you're on and then get it all figured out. So what I'm saying is, Angler, whatever baits you use, let's say I catch 10 fish, I catch like 6 of those fish on a Zoom Magnum trickworm and like the rest of them on a lipless. Well, let's just say I'm gonna get statistics from all of those baits that I've used over a span of time on what's going to be working and what the conditions are the best for, while this app automatically gives it for you. Basically, you get on the map and you have everybody's waypoints of where they've caught fish over time. It's really neat. Now, I would suggest Bass Forecast over this, but there was something that threw me off. While I was using my time with Bass Forecast, I really loved the app whenever it first came out. When it first came out, it gave you every detail based on weather, what baits to throw, and where on the lakes you need to be fishing. For example, during the summertime, it may tell you the best spots are going to be on points, ledges, and bluffs. And then it'll tell you a list of 5 baits that's the best baits that are going to be used for that day. And it gives you a rating on a scale of 1 to 10 on how good that day is going to be. Well, in order to get all of that now, you have to pay a membership fee. And to me, I really don't think the membership fee is worth all of that. Now, if you don't have the membership, you can get the rating, but you won't get the lures, where to fish, and all the conditions and stuff like that. So this app is definitely made up for a lot of it, except there's a lot of things like premium features that you can get that you have to pay for, and I won't do. But out of Angler and Bass Forecast, it's definitely compared it together and made it a little bit better. So what you can get with a premium feature, let's see. Premium feature, it gives you fishing spots, ratings, and reviews. It gives you, oh wait, this is for what you get with normal stuff. Alright, let's go to what you can get with the Fishbrain Pro. So basically this is the paid version, and for 12 months it's $74.99. Yeah, $75, I think I'm good. Alright, so basically here's what it gives you. It gives you the exact catch positions. It gives you the best baits and lures, which, I mean, it kind of already gives you that, but it's only for that specific location that you have marked or that other people have fished at. It gives you the ultimate fishing forecast. Really don't know the difference between normal forecasts and that. It gives you a depth map, So I guess that basically shows contour lines and, you know, the basic depths and stuff like that. It gives you private waypoints, and I really don't need to be using private waypoints too much. I have a sonar on my boat. It has private groups. I really don't know what that is. Member deals and free shipping. I'm not gonna buy anything on this app, just so you guys know. So all of this is basically useless to me, other than the fact that it shows you the exact catch spots of all of the fish and what baits they were throwing, what baits you should throw for that lake on that day. So, is it worth all the hype? I'll give it out of a rating out of 1 to 10. I'll probably give it about a 9. Just the fact that you have to pay to get all the excellent features, I don't like having to pay for stuff, to be honest. But I definitely think it is far better than Angler and Bass Forecast, and it really just sets them all up together and puts it together, and it's really good. It's like a fishing Instagram social media page. I mean, people can post, you know, their fish catches and stuff like that. I mean, you can see what everybody's been catching, and it's just like Instagram, and you know, a lot of pro fishermen use it as well, and I think that's really cool. So yeah, I'd say it's worth the hype. I mean, it's pretty good. So I definitely recommend this over Angler and Bass Forecast. Even if you paid for Bass Forecast, I think I would still use this one because you get a lot more features than what you would on Bass Forecast on the paid version compared to this. So I suggest this all the way. So yeah, it's pretty much worth the hype. I do suggest it, and I'm really looking forward to going out there and actually using this app and see how well it works. I really just wanted to get it and see how it worked on the app version, see how all the waypoints were laid out and stuff like that. So yes, if you are a starting angler, I do suggest this app for you. It is awesome. So go check it out. It is worth the hype. Alright, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and like this video and give me a thumbs up. Also, go down there and put any comments if you got any questions, or if you'd like to say something to me. Go subscribe for more content, and if you want to get notifications whenever I do post a video, click the bell that's right next to the subscribe button. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Keep fishing and keep getting better, and I hope I taught you something today. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.